Here's a really quick way to budget how much money you'll need if you're planning on buying a home now or in the near future. It's a free tool online and you can find it right from realto.ca. So go to realto.ca, pick a property. I'm going to pick this one in North Vancouver, and then scroll down to the bottom and you're going to find what says mortgage calculator. Select that. And in here, you can input a lot of the fields. You can adjust them depending on what your needs are. I'm going to keep the asking price the same at $679, but I'm going to change the down payment amount to, let's say, 10%. I'm also going to adjust the amortization period to 20 years and the mortgage rate to 3.6%. Now, this is really neat because it'll show you how much cash you're going to need for when you go and close on this property. So with 10% down for a property of $679,000, you're going to need $81,000. Some of that's land transfer tax, lawyer fees, and title insurance. You also want to have a budget for your home inspection and appraisal. So now let's take a look at what your monthly expenses will be. Just your mortgage alone is going to be $3,678. And then you've got about $464 monthly for your property tax. Then you've got your utilities, property insurance, phone, cable, internet. You can adjust all of these, but it's showing an approximate cost of $4,478 per month. Then we get to the really good stuff, which is the amortization schedule, and it shows what your mortgage pay down will be. This is where I talk about owning a property being a really good long-term advantage over renting, because as you can see, after the 20 years, which may seem like a long time now, but you wouldn't believe how fast that flies, you will have zero mortgage. This is a great tool I encourage you to use. I put some other tips in the comments below, and if you want to learn more, watch my other videos.